Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July!
Where are we going?
The pool!
So, we're starting a new tradition this year. Our local aquatic center, or pool, whatever, has a big like cookout slash party, I guess you would say. And that's where we're going. Daddy's out of town, so I didn't want the kids to miss any 4th of July fireworks. So we could have went to the fair, but the fair is so expensive, especially our local fair. So that's where we're going. So catch you on the flip side. Toodles! You having fun? Okay guys, we are done with the pool. The kids had a blast. They're tired. They're ready to eat. Well,
we're not tired.
They're not really. Well, they're a little tired.
It's just I don't want to play on the playground because I hurt my foot.
Yeah, Skylin hurt her foot
Again.
on the side of the pool. Go figure. She's the clumsy kid.
I didn't do it on purpose.
I know.
was getting out of the pool because they
So-
said I couldn't go under the
It's okay. But anyways, now we're stopping to get ice cream. We just left Little Caesars for pizza, and now we're going back to where we were because there's a park. Relax, eat, have a little picnic, and watch some fireworks. So stay tuned to the fireworks show, y'all. Thank you. Look at mommy. Look at all of the mosquitoes.
Fourth one, not in the middle, but the fourth one.
Ooh-wee.
Okay. Put your sunglasses on. Don't. Cause I want to take a picture with you. 1. Ari, that hasn't got popped.
You got one more to do?
Yep.
Okay, let's see. I want to watch it when you put it down like that again. I want to record it popping.
3. Do it in slow mo.
Move your hand.
Do it in slow mo.
I will.
3, 2, 1.
And let there be light. You look what I have created for you.
go 4th of July colors.
This is actually in flags.
Yep.
Red,
Don't put that in your mouth.
Don't put them in your mouth. If you pop them in
Can
your
I
mouth.
shake them, Skellen?
Yeah, you can.
I want to
Mhm.
I can't pop these either.
I want to pop one. I haven't
3, 2.
Can I please? I'm gonna shake it.
Sorry, Riley, you can pop this one in Arius. You can shake this one, okay? Ow!
Like that.
Hey, Bubba. Riley. Skilling.
What?
Please work and don't fall nowhere else. Please work and don't fall nowhere else. Is this?